the internet, and now I'm face to face with all the voices in my head. I can't even check the time without facing regret. Why do I still have to mean everything I ever said? And I'm not trying to be like poor me, I made it. I'm just trying to stay normal now that they know what my name is. Yeah, I just wanna drink tequila with my friends. Yeah, they're the reason that I still am who I am. So I'll walk into the club like everybody hates me.